In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stop to unsubscribe in GoHighLevel. This is a valuable skill for anyone looking to manage their subscriber list effectively and ensure that recipients who no longer wish to receive messages can easily opt out. To begin, you'll want to create a specific workflow in GoHighLevel that recognizes when a user sends a stop request. First, navigate to the automation section and select Workflows. Once there, click on the button to create a new workflow. From the options presented, choose to start from scratch. This will give you a blank canvas to tailor the workflow to your precise needs. Next, it's time to add a trigger. Click the option to add a trigger and select Customer Replied from the list. You'll need to apply some filters here. Under the channel option, choose SMS and ensure the reply contains the word stop. To make sure no unsubscribe requests slip through the cracks, consider adding more variations such as unsubscribe, cancel, or remove me. These variations cover different terms users might use to communicate the same request effectively. Now let's move on to adding actions within your workflow. The first action is to update the contact's preferences. Click to add an action, then select Update Contact. In the Do Not Disturb settings, be sure to enable the SMS DND option, effectively ensuring that the contact will no longer receive SMS messages. At this point, you might also decide to stop any email communications by enabling email DND, although this step is optional based on your preferences. Once the contact has been marked as DND, it's essential to send a confirmation message. Add another action and choose to send an SMS. This message should notify the subscriber that they've been successfully unsubscribed, and you might want to say something like, "You've been unsubscribed and will no longer receive messages from us." Reply, "Start to resubscribe anytime." This clarity offers transparency and paves the way for subscribers who might want to resubscribe in the future. As an optional measure, you have the opportunity to add a tag to the unsubscribed contacts. Apply an action to add a tag with the label unsubscribed. This step provides a convenient way to filter and manage unsubscribed users later on. Finally, don't forget to save and publish your workflow. Give it a descriptive name like Stop to Unsubscribe and turn it on. Once activated, your workflow will automatically mark contacts as DND whenever they reply with stop or any other specified keywords, cease all SMS communications, and send a confirmation reply. Following these steps ensures your subscribers can manage their communication preferences easily and keeps your list accurate and updated.